Hello, hello. What are today's messages? We got lots of cards. I will not compare myself to others. Set clear goals and plans. Most people overestimate what they can achieve in a year and underestimate what they can achieve in 10 years. Set clear goals and plans. Wave goodbye to aimless wandering and say hello to the land of productivity, where dreams become reality and to-do lists are tamed like wild unicorns. My presence is my power. Pay the piper and move on. Drop and give me Zen. Hidden desires. Your deepest desires hold the seed of your potential, longing, passion fulfilled. Alive. May you delight in vitality. I have compassion for grumps. It's not easy to have a bad day, and even harder to be a permanent poo-poo head. You are loved. People love you because you are lovable, not because they have bad taste, not because they're mistaken, not because you've somehow tricked them into thinking you're a better version of yourself than you actually are. You are loved because you are worth loving. I, and I alone, am responsible for everything I think and feel. Choose how to feel today. Set an hourly reminder to check in with yourself. We all have problems we can't solve by more thinking. Allow yourself to let go of whatever is stressing you. Invite sensations of peace and equanimity to fill your idea space. First chakra, base chakra, independence. I know what my needs are, and I actively pursue them, knowing that I will be guided and provided for when I put in the effort. I open myself to all possibilities and participate fully in life. I use my imagination and my vision to initiate what I wish for and pursue it, and I pursue it. I'm not waiting to be rescued. I'm not a victim. I am strong. We are offered advice from all directions on how to best live our lives. The best way for you is the way you choose for yourself again and again every morning. Everyone in our life is acting as a mirror. They are reflecting back to us what we have failed to acknowledge within ourselves. They are forcing us to look at what needs to be addressed. What aspects of our smaller self needs to be relinquished? Eight, joy pages. Take note of the joy gems. Journal your way to joy. How does joy show up in your life? Is it breakfast in bed, a bird singing its song, or a night swim? Write it down and savor it. From goal-oriented to thinking to flow. Next time you start doing something, pay attention to the thoughts you have during the process. How often do you think about the end goal or the project timetable? If you want, you can count the times your mind wanders from the flow of doing to the goals or the measuring of them. By examining your thoughts patterns and becoming aware of the power your thoughts have over you, you diminish their power. Number 41. Rock the mantra. How are you feeling right now? Repeat the words, I rock, 20 times with conviction. I rock, I rock, I rock. Notice the energetic change. I follow the cycles of my body. Number 10. Number 6, witness and observe. Shield yourself by witnessing others instead of absorbing all the energy and emotions around you. Engage your claircognizant or intellectual psychic pathway by observing the world with curiosity and detachment. Create healthy emotional space between yourself and others and between yourself and your emotions. Practice neutrality and maintain sensible, energetic boundaries. Acknowledging apprehension. When it's a yes, nothing can stop me. When I'm unsure, it's always a no. How about for you? The animal card. Sea turtle protection. You are master of finding life's flow. Be in harmony with the rhythm, and your path will unfold. Preserve and you will succeed. You have everything you need to be protected and happy. And a few quotes today. Notice how happy you are when you literally just do you. What if you get what you want? Oh, yeah. I just hugged you in my thoughts. I hope you felt it. You are not meant to live like the others. You are meant to live as yourself. And the last one today. The more you want to change someone, the less you understand them. The more you understand someone, the less you want to change them. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.